This is a Spark 20 Pro, a budget mid-range smartphone from TECNO with decent specs for the price. It retails for 203,900 Naira, which is roughly $170 for 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. The question here is, does it stack up against the competition or is it good value for money? I know you want to find out, and so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. Unlike most other competitors in this price segment, sorry. You're getting a lot with this unboxing here. First off, there's the device itself, which I'll set aside. You get the warranty sticker, a gift card, a TPU case to protect this device, a pair of earphones, a USB A to C cable, a 33-watt charger, a SIM ejector, and the device itself. This design isn't far from what we've seen before. A combination of glass fronts, a plastic back, a plastic frame. This is a lightweight and comfortable to grip device. The plastic back isn't that much of a fingerprint grabber, but can easily catch smears. There's a thoughtful inclusion of a micro SD card slot, alongside the dual SIM functionality, which adds a layer of versatility here, catering to users who prioritize expandable storage without compromising on dual connectivity. Additionally, the retention of the classic headphone jack is a welcome touch here, just to appeal to those that love the traditional audio connection. Beyond aesthetics, this smartphone showcases a commitment to durability, with this IP53 water resistance rating providing you a shield against everyday spills and splashes. Now, the available colors for this include the Moonlight Black, which I have here, Frosty Ivory, Sunset Blush, and the intriguing Magic Skin 2.0 grain. Also, the placement of the camera should remind you of a certain smartphone. Let me know what that smartphone is in the comment section below. Now, when we come over to the audio side of things here, I'm glad we have a dual or stereo speaker configuration, which are quite loud here. You no longer have to worry about blocking off the sound when consuming media or gaming with the Spark 20 Pro. And this is a good sounding smartphone. The mics on here sound good, and here's a test. So this is the sound recording on the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. And basically what you're going to hear over the phone when you are making a phone call. Let me know what you think about the audio quality, the sibilance when I get my S's, the plosives, and I'm calling the B's and the P's. And yeah, this is about what you should hear. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the display on the smartphone. You get a 6.78-inch LCD panel with captivating viewing experience, be it for gaming, watching videos, or simple browsing. For the specs here, the Spark 20 Pro stands out with its 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a seamless and fluid user experience. What's remarkable here is the flexibility it offers, allowing users to choose between 60, 90Hz or 120Hz, and also an adaptive refresh rate for optimal battery life. The customization here ensures that the display adapts to individual preference, providing not just speed but an overall responsive and tailored experience. An impressive resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, which is Full HD Plus in resolution, is what you get here. And even though this might not be the brightest screen outdoors, I like this one actually. The TECNO Spark 20 Pro here is powered by the Helio G99 processor or chipset from MediaTek. This is a very capable processor for everyday use and multitasking. While the smartphone comes out of the box with Android 13, I'm not sure about the nature of the upgrade or update for this device, as TECNO hasn't come out with a clear statement as regards updating this device. So here are the benchmarking scores from Antutu and GeekBench for the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Gaming is quite impressive here, as there is no noticeable lag with this one. I was able to play PUBG quite smoothly at HD graphics and high frame rate, which is the maximum setting you get with the smartphone. And the gameplay was really smooth. After about 25 minutes of gameplay, PUBG on this device, I lost about 5% from the battery, which is really impressive. I also tried out other titles such as Call of Duty Mobile, and this maxed out at medium graphics quality and a high frame rate. This is a decent gaming smartphone. When it comes to the cameras here, the Spark 20 Pro features a 108 megapixel main sensor and two other not so important sensors. Now the front side has a 32 megapixel front facing camera. When it comes to the main camera, the photos you get here are quite good. Impressive details, especially when you take the photos in a 108 megapixel mode, instead of the 12 megapixel mode which it defaults to. For instance, when you zoom into the text at the top right corner of the screen, you can see more detail from the 108 megapixel camera photo, but that usually would come at the cost of 6 to 7 times bigger file size. That is a 4 megabytes file against a 28 megabytes file for this photo. Videos can be recorded up to 2K in resolution for the rear and the front cameras. You can check these videos out for yourself. All I did notice is that the photos and the videos from the front-facing cameras are quite soft and they look smoothened out. While the only thing I have to complain about the rear cameras or the rear photos here is a slight shift in white balance. Now you get a 5000 mAh battery here which will last you all day with the smartphone. This is an all-day device for an above-average user. And when it comes to saving more on the battery life, you can switch to 60Hz for the refresh rate on the display with the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. You also get a 33-watt fast charger out of the box, which juices up this device from 0 to 100 in about an hour or 70 minutes, give or take. Generally, I think this device is one of those great value for money smartphones to consider in this price range, something that gives the Samsung Galaxy A15 a run for the money, and in some other ways better than that device. So let me know if this device, the TECNO Spark 20 Pro, is one you'd consider in the comment section below, and also let me know if you want to see a comparison between this and the Samsung Galaxy A15. Catch you guys in the next one. Koei that day.